Yeah, good day, guys. I wanted to show you how we can dimension in Sketchup. After this, we are going to go to properly on the importance of Sketchup and teach you 3D, how to get your 3D Sketchup and other things, both interior designs. We have not taught you interior designs on Revit. We will do that with time. But this is SketchUp now. Let's just go to how to dimension. So if you have done your 2D plan and you want to dimension it very easily, we have other mm, extension. You can, other plug. You can, SketchUp is always, we always have some plugs. We also have some plugin for dimension. SketchUp, but mostly you buy all those things online, so you pay for it. But let's use that we have in SketchUp. You just go to this place, I think, dimension. You go to dimension, you click here. This is exactly where you click. You can see the sign. It can be anywhere around here. It can be anywhere around. But for this is the place. Look at it too here. So yeah, you find it in your. If you didn't see it here, when you go to your toolbar, window, you go to your view, you go to your toolbar, you click on your toolbar, then you come to this construction. You click on this construction to bring up this. As if you don't see it, you bring up this. So this dimension tool is, I imported it too from somewhere, which is not really important when it comes to 3D drawing, 2D drawing. But we will teach you that maybe in 3D and other things. So this is just it. When you click on this dimension, you just click on where you want the dimension, like here and here. You can see it. You can get it. You can draw it like this. You can also bring it like this. You click on it. So you don't have continuous dimension as it is in uh, AutoCAD. You can't continue it except if you want to put up another one, you just click on this, click on this again. You just click on this, click on this again, and you drag it. You click on this, you click on this, you drag it. When you drag it, it will stop on exactly the line, except if you want to extend, you take it off. But if you just want it to continue the way it is, you drag it. So you click on it, click on the drive, you click on this, you click on this, drive. So this is how to get your dimension. You can click on this, and you drag and you get it. You can click on this, and you can just depends on how you want to get it. So I think we have other means of setting this dimension. We go to view. So if you want to change, the text or whatever you want to change on this, you just simply go to you select this. Let's see. uh, If you select it, you can see it here. This is the linear dimension. So you can come here and start changing whatever you want to change. You can see it will change. But let's leave it at points. If you want to increase it, you can, let's say 30 and see what it will give. You can see it has just increased. So that is it. But it was on 12. Let's leave it on 12. Mm, this you want to change the color. Maybe say this and it's okay. So you can see the color will just change. Let's go. You can see that the colors have changed. So still click on it. Here you can also change your text. If you don't like what you're seeing, you can displace this one. So finally, okay. So this is just it. Okay. So that's just it. You can see that this figure just change. So but that's not what you want. You just leave it the way it is. And so next time we're just going to proper planning, and if you have any other thing on dimension, we'll still continue on it. For now, that's all for today. Thank you.